Last week, I covered what they don't tell you when it comes to wholesaling houses. And we covered the three things that you should not do as a new wholesaler. As promised, here's part two. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can succeed in a recession through wholesaling houses. And we're going to cover what it is that you need to not just survive, but thrive over the coming years. John Barbera here with an investor's journey. And my goal with this podcast is to provide you with the right tools and education so you can take your life from simply trying to survive to thriving and living your dreams. And whatever that may be, reach all your goals through real estate investing. So if this is your first time on the show, please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up if you like what you hear. If you did not watch last week's episode, then please go over and watch it right now. You can find it up here or in the description below. And I'll just wait. So I'm trusting that you're honest and you're not lying to me and you did see the episode. And honestly, I mean, it's for you, right? The whole episode is for you to understand. It's not just what to do, but what not to do so you don't get accidentally roped into doing the wrong things in your business. It's always really good to know what things can actually slow you down and affect your business in a negative way as much as a positive way. Like I said in that episode, this is not the time to be sitting on the sidelines and waiting to see what's going to happen. Because once that does happen, you're late. You know, now you're trying to play catch up and you're going to miss out. There were so many people when 2020 first started that they told me, these were big investors too. That they're like, well, I don't understand what the hell's going on. So I'm just going to sit on the sideline and kind of see, what's going to shake out. They didn't start investing until late 2021, and by then they had missed so much upside, so many opportunities. And now they're trying to catch up to this new market that we were in. When we made the pivots right then and there, and we were able to coast with the changes of the market and seize opportunities as they came. So this is not the time to be waiting. This is the time to get educated, get prepared. So when opportunity presents itself, you get lucky. So in this episode, I'm covering the three things that you should be doing as a new wholesaler to make sure you succeed, regardless what market this is. Number one is build your buyers list. Why is this so crucial? Your buyers are going to tell you what the market is doing because they're the buyers, right? They're the end person. They're the ones that are going to be picking up whatever properties you find. So they're going to tell you what the market is doing. They're going to tell you where you should be marketing based on where they're buying their properties. And they're going to tell you what type of properties to buy based on the strategies that they're doing. Are they doing buy and hold? Are they doing owner finance? Are they doing fix and flips? What is it that they're doing? They're going to tell you exactly what it is, so you don't have to guess. You don't have to be just, shotgunning a bunch of marketing on stuff that you're not going to wholesale to anybody because nobody's buying those. Stop working hard and start working smart. Working smart is building your buyers list and getting details from your buyers on what it is that they're doing, where they're doing it, and all that. You're going to know so much more than anybody else by simply doing this. And if you want to learn how to build a good, strong, credible buyers list, then up here, there's a link that you can click to see the whole playlist that I put together on how to do this step by step. And you can also find it in the show notes below. Now, the second thing you want to do is related to marketing, which is cold calling. So in the last episode, I said you shouldn't be doing direct mail. Cold calling works tremendously better because you get 1 million first impressions. So while you're building up, the courage that you're going to need to be able to speak to so many of these sellers that are going through some maybe financial hard times or whatever it may be, you get to do 1 million first impressions. Let's say you call them today, you screwed it up. You can call them in a few weeks and they don't know it's you. You understand? Because it's over the phone. They get so many calls, they don't know who is who. So you get 1 million first impressions. You get to work on your ability to overcome objections, to overcome rejections, to get better at talking to sellers, understanding sellers, seeing what they're saying. You get to do that so much faster because you can do volume this way. Through cold calling, it's so inexpensive and you can do literally hundreds of calls a day versus through direct mail where you're probably going to be doing, maybe 5 to 10 calls a day, depending on how much marketing you send out. And again, it's very inexpensive to do. Number 3, by far my favorite, I say this all the time, is partner. Partner with people. I said on the last episode, don't go at this alone. This is how you do it. You partner with people, partner with your buyers. So you build a good buyers list. Many buyers will be willing to pay for your marketing because they want access to the deals first. They'll be willing to go with you to the properties and help you analyze them, negotiate them, get them under contract, run them through title, everything, because they want to get the first dibs to the deals. So many buyers are going to partner with you, and you're going to get to learn exactly how it's done while you're making money. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. Everything we've done in our business has been through partnering. Every time we start something new, I'm partnering with somebody that's good at it. You know, when we started building houses, I partnered with somebody that knew how to build houses. If I ever get into multifamily, warehouses, whatever, I'm going to partner with somebody that knows how to do that. You understand? Because then I'm going to learn everything I don't know in such a short time. So yeah, the first couple deals, maybe you're splitting a large portion of the profit, but the knowledge that you're getting is tremendous. The shortcut that you're getting is huge. And you don't understand how valuable this is. So instead of trying to figure it out on your own, and it could take you years and a bunch of screw ups that might end up actually scaring you out of the market, if you partner with these people, I'm telling you, you're going to learn tremendous amounts, and you're going to learn in such a short time, and you're going to make money while you're doing it. And if you are in a position where you can make a good investment in yourself, in your education, and get that shortcut, we are offering one-on-one coaching that you can get access to, where we sit down, we put strategy specific to you. We do weekly calls where we analyze what you're doing with your business, what pivots you need to be making, you know, what type of marketing, what kind of systems, how to hire, how to manage contractors, how to manage rehabs. We cover everything on a one-on-one basis, and you get access to us whenever you need it. So if you're interested in learning more about this, text the word coaching to 210-794-9898, and we can talk further about this. Also, there's a ton of free education here in this YouTube channel and in our podcast. Get in there and start searching. We put marketing, we do negotiation, we have stuff about managing rehabs, managing contractors, you know, talking to sellers, so many things, building your buyers list. We have playlists literally on every topic you could possibly want. Get in there, start researching. You can get all the stuff in here for free. So again, thank you all for watching. And again, if you found any value, give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think, and I'll catch you on the next one.